Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a quick video on RSR. I wanted to make a video on that. I'm not sure if anyone is interested in this, but I still remember looking at it back when it was down here or so, back in February. It was very bullish. Should have bought it, and you can see that. Look, RSR. If some of you know me from back in the days covering reserve rights, you know that I like the project, but if you look at this, like this is very manipulated, all right? So I do want to right off the bat tell you that it probably is manipulated. So that means that a lot of volatility should be expected, first of all, but that also means that there's manipulators in the price, which you can also see if you look at the volume. A lot of volume coming from shady exchanges, and what usually happens is that these manipulators will not lose money, all right? So that means that retail net as some sort of a net effect will lose money. So just be careful, right? If you don't know what you're doing, then this could actually cost you a lot of money. I would not risk too much. I would even, if I'm a new trader, I would probably not trade this. But all right, still wanted to give you my thoughts, because like I said, I mean, it is very volatile. So if you do know what you're doing, this could actually bring you some real money. So if you look at the RSR right now, purely technically, I would say this is bullish, but this is not a normal uptrend. This is not a normal market structure. Maybe it was right here, right? So right here you had a solid uptrend with some sort of a parabolic breakout, consolidation, and another breakout. Beautiful drawings. But right now it's just a massive buy. So that could look in the last couple of days. So since Wednesday, we almost rallied 100%. That's a lot, all right? First of all, that's a lot. We could technically, of course, rally up higher. Like especially if Bitcoin turns a bit more bullish here, it's very easily possible that we do rally up higher. However, we've been dropping for the last couple of hours. So what we need to see is some sort of strong support. If you look at RSR in general, what you'll see is that the open interest has gone up a lot. That's also dropping down. So this could continue. But honestly, it doesn't look most likely that it will continue. In general, like these manipulated cryptos can definitely rally 200 to 300%. That's possible. But in terms of if I think about all the manipulated cryptos I've analyzed and I've seen, most of them do not rally more than 100%. So it's possible, but the only way it's possible, I would say, is that we have a pretty strong support level coming up right here with the 382 fib around 0.75 cents. If we actually find strong support there, all right, so if we drop down to that level, we find support, and the open interest starts increasing again, so something like this, then it's possible that we rally up higher. So it's definitely possible, and then we can rally up to 10 or to 1 cent, 1.05 cents, and potentially higher, because what is true as well, and just for the long term, like I said, I like reserve rights quite a bit. And if you look at this daily time frame chart, this looks quite bullish, all right? This gives the impression that there's a lot of potential, which for retail is enough. And then apart from that, it also being a serious project, that's enough. So there is definitely potential long term. Short term, I would say that there's potential as well, but only if we find support at 0.75 cents, and that we also gain momentum once we hit that. Because what I think is most likely right now is that we will find some support there, but that the open interest will not rally up, and that we will just drop back down below that level, eventually drop back down to 0.7, 0.65 cents, 0.6 cents, something like that, and at some point of time start to consolidate. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and have a great weekend in advance, and take care. Bye.